bought this car with our first ever month of YouTube money. We spent it all, which is about $300 or so.
And whatever the top comment on this video is right now, we will do to this car in the next video. A few stipulations. We can't break our budget on it, obviously, because we're poor as frick, so.
And it can't be just sell it, because where's the fun in that?
But literally anything else on earth we will do to this mighty beast. But real quick, let's take a trip back in the past to how we got this thing.
Because it's impossible these days to get a car that can work for $300, let alone one with this low of miles.
Yes, exactly. Let's
Stay tuned.
Going to the loo. I think I'm gonna poo.
We are on our way to pick up a beautiful car. 97 Mercury. It's got a Ford motor in it with a powerful V8. McKay literally texts me and he's like, guess what? The guy actually said yes to our offer. We're gonna leave right now. And I'm like, I've got chili in the microwave right now.
Listen, I have been messaging people like non-stop for like almost a month now, trying to convince somebody with a reasonable car that doesn't need like an engine to sell us a car for this price. And it's the price a junkyard will give you for your car.
This guy said, allegedly, that the car runs and drives, but there appears to be one problem with the car that maybe is why it's so cheap.
See, most vehicles stay with all four wheels touching the ground for most of their lives. This one, at some point, no longer had all four wheels on the ground. In fact, it had no wheels on the ground at one point.
Yeah, it was upside down. It was upside. We're gonna see if it actually does run or if this guy's scamming us when we cut to the next scene. That thing is disgusting, bro. Look at that. That is heinous looking. Oh my.
The guy we bought the car from was super chill. He was giving big like private contractor vibes. He said his grandma owned the car and they like rolled it off the side of the street and like flipped it. But he gave us the keys, we cranked it over, it started up great. We even drove it back and forth to make sure the transmission
Never had a car where the windshield is resting on the steering wheel.
Everything was pristine. So we gave him the $350 that we offered.
$350 right there for you.
You have to slow it down to see it, but that right there is the face of a man who knows he just got an insane deal.
Dude, I'm so surprised that it actually runs. All right, are you gonna just drive it up?
Yeah, I'll need you to spot me because like I said, I can't see. Yeah, no, I just have to do the shuffle here.
It's literally resting on the glass.
So as we put it on the trailer, a bunch of fluid just dumps out of the car.
Oh, what is that fluid? Is that water? So that is not water. I think it just dumped a ton of gas, which is a bad sign. Oh my gosh, dude. You removed the tire.
Is it off?
It's basically off, dude. All I'm seeing is the rim.
Our alignment is very much off. So we're gonna, this is straight, that one is like that.
Wait. This side. Oh my gosh, that is a heinous alignment. Let's head back home, yeah?
Let's do it.
All right, work day is here. We will get this thing running, which means fixing that fuel line.
Fix the alignment that's off a little bit.
And we're hopefully gonna maybe like
make the roof like, instead of being right here, I want to be like,
and then after all that, maybe OSHA certified.
So when we bought the car, a bunch of fuel lines broke and started spewing fuel everywhere. And so I had to go under the car to see if maybe we could reconnect those boys. While I was down there, I found the broken line, but also I found something I have never seen in my entire life.
Okay, it's filled with Vaseline.
what?
Vaseline.
That's disgusting.
Oh. Yeah, definitely that.
The Vaseline wasn't too bad. I just scraped it out with a screwdriver. Then I removed this clamp so that I could unbend the gas lines and then put them in the right spot, which I developed a special method to know which one goes where.
I think actually this one is for the bigger one because it's bigger.
Genius.
My brain is giant. I'm gonna just plug them in or something.
Let's do it.
This guy made it more difficult.
After I was done, McKay and I went to the alignment shop to get an alignment.
Good afternoon.
Now it was time to start her up and see if we did a good job. Which we did. There was also a really loud whining from the power steering pump, so we just topped it off.
Thirsty. This is definitely power steering fluid, I promise.
Give it back. They deserve to know. They deserve to know.
No. That's not.
What the frick
I wasn't
is
using
this?
that.
Automatic transmission.
I was using something else.
This thing is premium, bro.
There's no fuel leaking after doing just that.
And we fixed the problem with the whining from the power steering.
And the alignment.
And the alignment. Literally.
We're mechanics. If you'd like us to work on your car.
What are you doing with that? Oh, that is not a good sound. Yeah, dude, that's not strong enough.
We're going to show you how professionals deal with body work like this. Any glass could just like new, using this one simple trick.
Body shops hate this one simple trick. Oh my gosh. Jack her up, buddy.
Body shops everywhere.
I feel like it's gonna explode glass everywhere.
Fine, just don't look at it. It's like welding.
I wish that you would stay. I'd have you here for one last night.
Hear it.
I can see it on your face. This time we may have to do this another time. I can see it on your face. The time is running out.
Welcome to the part of the video that we call removing the front windshield in the most OSHA certified manner.
With the correct tools.
You should cover your eyes. We should probably be using glasses.
Yeah, imagine if you pulled up with it like a hand grenade. Low taper fade.
Oh,
What are the chances you think I can make this?
I will give you, no joke, I will give you 10 McChickens if you make it inside the hoop.
No!
So while McCade's working on the rest of the glass and stuff, I'm gonna plug this car into Carvana and see how much they'll offer for this beautiful Legend. Because it's only got 33,000 miles, they might actually give us an out-of-pocket
It's actually
offer.
only got 28,000.
28,000. All right, there is green, a 4.6 liter V8. Any dents or scrapes?
Yeah, what are the options on that?
I don't feel like there's that many dents or scrapes. Hail damage. Calculating your offer. Calculating your offer.
There's a lot to calculate
There's a
here.
lot.
I hear the longer it takes to calculate, the more
The
money,
more money you
yeah.
make. What? What do you mean something went wrong? It's too valuable. Let's get some satisfying vacuuming time lapse.
Yeah, and like, look,
Clips.
we both got glasses, and they're both broken. So together we have a complete pair of glasses.
That's right.
So OSHA, you can't say anything.
Yeah, bro.
And like, let's be honest, like, who audits OSHA?
Don't say no way. Wouldn't believe how much I'd pay to see the man's low, 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 deeper
Now, Carvana didn't give us an offer. I'm going through CarMax right now. Now, they have given us a lowball offer. They've told us $2,300 to $6,500.
Oh.
I wouldn't sell this for that.
30K miles on
Yeah,
it.
like, look at how good the paint is. Like, look at that. Not a
Dude,
scratch
that's
on
actually
it.
amazing paint.
So after cleaning this car out, getting rid of all the glass, and also addressing a few safety concerns,
Oh. That is a small concern.
we were finally ready to take this
Yeah.
thing on its first test drive and rip us a fire burnout.
Y'all tryna get on that guest list, but sorry bro, I don't mess with it. Y'all broke, brothers, let's test this. I'm blessed with that light of God. Y'all see that here on my necklace? Y'all looking around like y'all necklace.
The clearance isn't exactly amazing.
No, I got my mirror right here.
We drove to a less busy street so we could like cook up a little bit, and man, this car is fun.
That's the power of a V8 right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen to her scream.
Let's go somewhere the cops can't find us for these legal activities on a closed course. This thing rips. And remember, the top comment whatever it is within our budget, we will do. All right? So comment.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
For more, boys.
Let's see what's in the trunk.
The trunk, dude. I'm excited about the trunk. Let's see. Trunk reveal. Trunk reveal. Absolutely nothing. Stupid.